Okay, wanted to work on some SAT strategy questions here. So here's a possible question on the SAT. This is a function table problem. You see a bunch of those, and I guess my strategy would be the same with any of them. I would just test these answers out. It says some values of the variables r and s are shown in the table above. Which of the following could be directly proportional to s? Okay. Here I would actually just try this. So this one I would take this. It says, so the question would be, is the square root of 4, I'm sorry, is the square root of 2 equal to 4? Yes or no? It is not. Let's pretend for a second that you did this and the first part was true. You're like, you know what, that is true. Then you'd still have to check the second one, but if we check the second one is not true either. The square root of 3 is not equal to 9. It says here that the square root of r should be equal to s, and neither of those are true. For this to be the rule, they would both have to be true. So let me say it again, they would both have to be true, and in this case, neither of them are true. R is equal to s, so 2 is equal to 4, question mark? And there's no question mark about it. The answer is not true. 3 is equal to 9, question mark? No, so we can exclude that answer. How about s is equal to r plus 1? 2 plus, so we'd have 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 would have to be equal to 4. Is that true? Is 3 plus 1 equal to 9? Is that true? Not only aren't they both true, but neither of them are true. I'm going to say this again. It's really important you get this, because this is going to happen to somebody. Maybe you'll test something, and the first rule will work for the first set of numbers. From here to here will work. You got to go and make sure this works also. Both things have to work for it to be a rule, so please be careful. And then we go and check the last answer, which is that it's r squared. So is 2 squared equal to 4? Yes, it is. Is 3 squared equal to 9? Yes, it is. So we check that, and therefore we can say with great certainty that our answer is D. Please, I guess what I would tell you the most is have a purpose, and a question as simple as this, you can just start filling in the blanks. You don't have to, this is what's happening with some of you, and don't be offended, but some of you, you're trying to figure out what the rule is. Who cares what the rule is? You only have 4 different possibilities. Check it. I think it's much faster to check for it than it is to actually solve it. So maybe just think about that, and maybe I'm right here, right? Okay, you guys, good work.